Welcome back to Earning with Bits, everyone. Today, let's check out Suipick. This website is just like free Suipick. Get started by logging in with your C-Wallet email address. After you log in, your dashboard is at the top. You can claim from the Faucet or do surveys to earn coins. Let's select Faucet. Now scroll down and solve the CAPTCHA. Your rewards are based on your level. You level up by playing games. Let's claim first, and then check out the surveys menu real quick. Each survey has a different award amount. Some pay more than $1. When you get enough coins, you can play games like slots, Keno, dice, and Plinko. Let's verify our account to get more free rolls. Select Verify on your Faucet page. Confirm your email account, and you should receive 10 bonus rolls. Great, let's roll. Success. I'm going to use all 10 of my free rolls. You should too. Now I have enough to play slots. Let's go back to games on our dashboard and select slots. Slots are easy and fun to play. After you win, you can withdraw or deposit by selecting either at the top of your homepage. You only need 0.1 SOE to withdraw. That's not a lot. Thank you for watching Earning with Bits. Please like and subscribe.